Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a seated knee raise march. Raise your hands out in front of your chest to hover. Alternate lifting from right to left, working to lift your knees to touch your hands if possible. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, tap your hands together under each leg. Optional to add a leg extension as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Continue here or adding on. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, adding a toe touch, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, sitting tall with your core engaged, moving through your own range of motion. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.